I think this recipe just proved that cheese makes everything better. Hello, welcome back to the Stay Fitness channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Daniela. I'm a fitness, nutrition and life coach specializing in obesity and diabetes management. So today's video we're going to make carnivore cheesy Doritos. Yes. But if you're wondering why I'm standing next to the TV like this and why because I'm standing so I can't stay still, is because it's the UK and after 4 p.m. there's no daylight, so I had to stand in front of the window to try and get some natural light. So the other day I was thinking, I was like, what recipe should I propose? And then I don't know where I got this idea of like how to make carnivore Doritos. So I already made the chicken chips, which they are being a success. You can find them up here or here, who knows, but yeah, I'll link the description below as well. But yeah, I was thinking, I don't know why I got the idea of the cheesy Doritos. Like I never even ate, like I don't think I ever had a cheesy Dorito. Like I think I had a Dorito, but I don't know if I ever had the cheesy flavor. But I thought, I was like, what if I try and put some cheese into the chicken chips? And then I started looking like what are the main ingredients of the cheesy Dorito, and it's like smoked paprika and cheese, of course. So I was like, cool, let's give it a go. I had very low expectations, but actually they turned out great. But let me show you how to make them before I taste them. So same as the chicken chips recipe, all you need is like one kind of smallish chicken breast, and then kind of like a cup or maybe 3/4 of a cup of cheese. I'm using this red Leicester just to kind of give it this like orangey kind of Dorito look, but you can use any cheese of your, like any melted cheese of your choosing. And then you add a little bit of smoked paprika, it depends how smoky you want it, a pinch of pepper and a pinch of salt. I wouldn't add too much salt because the cheese is already quite tasty, but if you like really salty crisps, then just add a little bit more, like about half teaspoon maybe. So then you're going to protect your table, of course, from the chicken, and then cut a piece of parchment paper exactly the same size of your baking tray, and then put on top like cling film, and then with the help of a rolling pin, or you can use like a used bottle, like a empty bottle or anything like that, you're going to spread it out as thin so you can see the light through when you lift it. Then you're going to place it on your baking tray and bake it 150 degrees Celsius, fan for 50 minutes, or until it's dry out. So it has to be so dry they come completely off and it doesn't have any kind of like spongy spots. If you feel like it's still a bit squishy, just put it back and just take it out when it's completely dry. That's the whole point. And then you can just break it up with your hands, the shapes you want, and then there you go. Here, all done. But let me taste them. So here they are. I think they're pretty impressive, to be honest. I think it worked. It's really nice cheesy flavor, and I think if you dip into something like whatever you would dip in Doritos, like with your salsa, guacamole, sour cream, super crunchy, I mean, I would just agree that cheese make everything better. Like everything you add cheese to, even dessert, cheesecake. Cheesecake is like delicious. So I think this recipe just proved that cheese makes everything better. But yeah, if you haven't made the classic version of the chicken chips, give it a go. This is another amazing version. You can then make like a nacho bowl with it. You can have it as dips, on your own. If you need that like Saturday evening snack in front of the TV. If you're missing a bit of crunch, because when you're doing carnivore you get nothing is crunchy. Yeah, I really recommend you try it, but let me know in the comments below. As usually, you can find me if you have any questions. If you made the recipe and want to share it with me, please do it on Instagram, and follow me on Instagram, of course. Consider subscribe to the channel if you like like this kind of thing. I also do a lot of educational stuff, like a bit more serious about metabolic health, benefits of carnivore diet and all that, so you can have a look at that as well. But I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.